ICT on the foreign data collection company Worldcoin, collecting data from Kenyan citizens by way of scanning irises in exchange for some money. In particular, he sought that one, to state the steps the government is taking to ensure control of data, access, collection, and storage by foreign entities. Two, who licensed and authorized the biometric data collection by Worldcoin, and was the correct procedure followed. Three, safety guarantees that the government has put in place to ensure that the data will be exclusively used for the intended purpose and Kenyan citizens will not incur any loss. Four, the ultimate objective of this exercise and the purpose of the data collection. Five, the source of money being used to pay participants and who stands to benefit from this exercise. Six, precautionary steps taken by government on the already mined data. We state as follows, that is the two cabinet secretaries. One, an entity calling itself Worldcoin was reported to be harvesting eyeball/iris data from Kenyans for 3 days until yesterday in exchange for cryptocurrency tokens worth approximately Kenya shilling 7,000 on condition that the beneficiaries allowed the scanning of their eyeballs or iris. The aforesaid entity is not registered as a legal entity in Kenya. Preliminary investigations reveal that the entity has hired a company in Kenya called Sense Marketing to do the data capture for them in the country. Four, the local representatives of Worldcoin are one, a Mr. Emmanuel Otieno, who is described to be in charge of operations, and two, a Ms. Rael Mwende, who is described as a country manager. Both persons are being interrogated by the Directorate of Criminal Investigations, DCI, since yesterday, Wednesday, August 2nd, 2023. Among the foreign nationals associated with Worldcoin are a Mr. Poita Piwowozik, who is on record to have entered Kenya on several occasions, the last one being in June 2023, whose arrival was on 11th of June 2023 and departure on the 25th of June 2023. Yesterday, the government, through the Ministry of Interior and National Administration, suspended the activities of Worldcoin in Kenya. Consequently, criminal investigations have commenced to establish the authenticity and legality of the aforesaid activities, the safety and protection of the data being harvested, and how the harvested